To other news now, mining company Windalco could be hit with another lawsuit following Sunday's fish kill in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine. There's still no word from Windalco about the latest incident, but the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says the mining company is in breach of the Wildlife Protection Act.
It's an all too familiar sight for residents of Kent Village, St. Catherine. Dead fish in the Rio Cobre, a clear sign that the water is polluted.
We did listen more one time, we don't see nothing come out of it. So 2 weeks, it look like say, somebody has sell out or something going on. And this time I know every fish dead now, so this time we're not going to take it in because everything dead. So look like the Lego is stream bigger this time. So we would like some justice.
It is very responsible for any company to discharge any form of effluence into this river. We depend on it, the community depends on it, and therefore we need to know who is really responsible.
A team of experts from the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, have been testing the water. Preliminary findings revealed that caustic effluent had entered the river.
Based on this and the report we have received and also the data provided by Windalco, which suggested that there has been caustic effluent entering into the Rio Cobre, it is theorized that the fish kill that was reported was a result of this caustic discharge and subsequent elevated pH levels of the water body.
NEPA says it's in the process of issuing an enforcement notice on Windalco for the unauthorized discharge.
This enforcement notice will instruct them to immediately cease the discharge as well as rehabilitate the affected areas and also return or put measures in place to return the water back to the background levels as soon as possible. In fact, we're proposing that this happens within the next 24 to 48 hours.
In 2019, NEPA brought legal action against Windalco after a fish kill in the Rio Cobre over a similar matter which is still before the courts. In the meantime, the agency says it intends to attach an environmental performance bond to Windalco's mining permit.
Based on the calculations, we are hoping that a very high value is set, and then this will be held against the company, and of course it should serve as a deterrent to incidents of this nature.
Anthony Lug, TVJ News.